Hi, my name is Jack, and I'm here on behalf of gagfilms.com to bring you some safety tips for Halloween. Now first, if you're going to go trick-or-treating at night, you're going to want to bring a flashlight or some other light with you. You'll be able to see better, and others will be able to see you. If you're going to wear a mask, make sure you're able to see well out of it. We don't want you to trip and hurt yourself. When you go out, stick to neighborhoods you're familiar with, and don't go trick-or-treating alone. Now I know some of you are going to want to play Halloween jokes on your friends and family. If you Oh my god! You should have seen your face.
Don't
that was
do that.
awesome. I scared you so bad.
How would you like it if I scared you?
Oh, whatever. No, seriously, I'm gonna scare the hell out of you. Can't scare me. That was too easy. Who's gonna clean up this mess?